Hi, this is Ashok. Welcome to our Learning Inspiration channel. So, the next topic is properties of rational number, distributive property. We have two distributive properties. The first one is distributive property of multiplication over addition. So, another one distributive property of multiplication over subtraction. So, let's start our class distributive property. So, the first one is addition. So here a by b into c by d plus of e by f is equal to a by b into c by d plus of a by b into e by f. So the property is a by b is distributed with the both inside the numbers c by d and another e by f. So a by b is multiplication with the both numbers c by d and also e by f. So that is a by b is here distributor. A by b is a distributor. A by b is multiplied with c by d and the center value is plus. So distributive property of multiplication. Distributive property of multiplication over addition. So a by b is multiplied with c by d and the center value is plus, and another a by b is multiplied with e by f. So here we have some example also. So first one is simplified. 7 by 20 into 6 by 17 plus of 11 by 17 into 7 by 20. So this kind of sums we can solve using by distributive property of multiplication over addition. Because the mid value is plus here, so we can identify this given equation is distributive property. How we can identify the given equation is distributive? So 7 by 20 is common for each term. The first term 7 by 20 is common. So look at here 7 by 20. So here also 7 by 20 is there. So both terms having the same number 7 by 20 is common. So it is equal to a by b into c by d. A by b into c by d plus of a by b into e by f. So here they are applying commutative property. So commutative property means we can multiply two numbers in any order. So already we are completed commutative property. So commutative property is we can multiply two numbers in any order. So we can write the number, the first 7 by 20 into 6 divided by 17 plus of, using by commutative property we can identify the number. The first also write 7 by 20 into 11 by 17, because so we can multiply two numbers in any order is equal to, so this number is in the form of the right side a by b into c by d plus of the same term a by b is multiplied with e by f. So we can write the number directly. The common term is e by a by b. We can take outside the bracket. So 7 by 20 is common term. 7 by 20 into c by d is 6 by 17 plus of e by f is 11 by 17 bracket. So next one is simplify the number 7 by 20 into the bracket. So denominators are same. We can write one time as a denominator 17. So next one 6 plus 7. So numerators are same. We can add the numerator 6 plus 11 bracket is equal to 7 by 20 into, so 6 plus 7 is equal to 17 is divided by denominator also 17. So 6 plus 11 17, denominator also 17 and 17 are cancelled. So the remaining term is 7 is divided by 20. So therefore the answer is, so 7 by 20 into 6 by 17 plus of 7 by 20 into 11 by 17 is equal to, so 7 by 20. So we are proving using by the property of distributive property of multiplication over addition. So next one is distributive property of multiplication over subtraction. Here the center value is minus, so distributive property of multiplication over subtraction. So we are going to prove the property. So a by b is distributed with c by d. So a by b is distributed with c by d, and again a by b is distributed with e by f. So the mid value is minus, so minus. So a by b into c by d minus a by b into e by f. The a by b is distributed with both inside the numbers. So we have some examples. So multiply 12 into 97. So we can multiply easily some numbers using by distributive property of multiplication and also subtraction. So here it takes one example, 12 into 97. So we don't know the table easily. So using by this distributive property we can multiply these numbers. So first write 12 into 97 is equal to, so first number 12 we can write directly 12 into 97, we can take and we can write 97 as 100 minus 3. So 97 also 100 minus 3, both are right only now. So 100 minus 3, we are subtracting from 100, so 100 minus 3 is equal to 97. So that is 12 into 97 only. We are alternately write 97 as 100 minus 7. 100 minus 3 is equal to, so it is a distributive property of multiplication over subtraction. So a by b into 12 also is a rational number, 100 also rational number, 3 also rational number. So 12 is multiplied with the 100 and also 3. So 12 into, so using this property, 12 into 100 minus 3 is equal to, the first number multiplied with the bracket first number. So 12 into 100, so bracket the center value is minus, so a by b is multiplied with the e by f. So here 12 into 3. So 12 into 100, 12 into 100 is equal to 1200 minus, so 12 into 3 is equal to 3 twelves are 36. So 1200 minus 36. The remaining is 1200 minus 36. The remaining term is 1164. So therefore our answer is 12 into 97 is equal to 1164. So similarly, we can find the same in a distributive property of multiplication over addition also by maybe the number 902. So we can write the number 100 plus 2. So similarly, so we can find, we can multiply any number using this property. So this is I think I hope this is useful to you. So keep it in mind. Distributive property is multiplication on over addition and over subtraction. So is there. So we will see the next videos in the next topic.